Nowadays, in this rapidly changing environment, we are not able to maintain peace in our daily life. There could be many reasons behind this, like work pressure of the office, financial weakness, fights with strangers, or personal family issues. We get angry on smaller topics without any strong reason. We are not able to control our subconscious mind. In the diversified nature, because we can't maintain peace. To get rid of this anxiousness, we try a lot variant types of things. But the next day, it's all same again. Getting up late in the morning, rushing for the office, stucking into the traffic, get scolded from boss for not being on time, no time spending with family and friends, and it continues. And certainly, we start thinking about how our ancestors were able to maintain a peaceful life. There are people who get so worked up over stressful events or feelings that they make themselves physically ill. Here are 10 ways to get rid of stress and enjoy a peaceful and happy life. Number 1. Listen to pleasant music. Classical music has been found to lower blood pressure, slow down your pulse, and reduce stress hormones. Music also increases dopamine. The best thing about music is that you can listen it anytime and get relaxed. Number 2. Meditation. Meditation and stretching are both tried and true tactics to help you relieve stress. Simply close your eyes, focus on your breathing, and concentrate on your current state. Meditation also helps in bringing new thoughts. Meditation in turn elevates stress-related ailments such as high blood pressure, insomnia, chronic pain, and fatigue. It reduces the risk of disease aggravated by stress, such as heart disease, digestive disorders, and headache. Number 3. Pet an animal. It's been found that petting animals can increase your levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are neurotransmitters that have calming properties. Animals are unflinching and unreserved with their love for us. Sure, we feed them, pet them, play with them, and clean them up. But they love us even if we don't put them dinner. Love for a pet will help you in forgiving bad people. Number 4. Do yoga regularly. It has been observed that people who does yoga in the morning have great mental and physical health. A 5-minute yoga can reduce your stress levels. Yoga increases your flexibility, muscle strength, and tone. It also improves our respiration, energy, and helps in maintaining metabolism. Number 5. Smile. Smiling not only an important non-verbal indicator of happiness, but also wishfully promote smiling as a panacea for life's stress events. Smiling to strangers and your relatives without any reason could bring a huge good change in you. Smiling releases endorphins, which helps a person feel happier and more positive. Number 6. Spend time with family and friends. Spending quality time with your family and friends and talking with them usually reduce stress. Having fun with them keep your mind tension free. The environment between the family keeps us fresh, realistic, and thoughtful person. Quality family time improves child's academic performance. It encourages open communication and strengthens family bonding. Number 7. Make a trip to nature. Nature is one of the major factors which helps in releasing stress. Doctors usually prefer to make a nature visit once a month. Not only help you get relaxed, but also keeps you energetic and calm. The greenery and natural air in the environment boost your love towards nature. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Number 8. Do regular exercise. Have regular exercise sessions in your daily life. It keeps you physically and mentally strong. You can do cardio or weight exercises in the gym or at home. While exercising, your full focus is on your mind and muscles, which helps you keep outside noise aside. It helps keep your thinking, learning, and judgment skills sharp as you age. Number 9. Speaking softly. If you try to speak in a soft tone with people, colleagues, then lot many problems, matters can get resolved itself. It has been observed that people who talk softly are very calm in nature and stressless. Even if the person you are talking is rude with you, you shouldn't lose your tempo. Number 10. Eat healthy food. Stress mostly depends on what we eat. If we regularly eat junk foods, packaged products, it will certainly bring laziness, costs which will directly reflect to our health issues, which will again create stress. Try to say no to junk food and eat healthy food items like green veggies, fruits, pulses, good fats, etc. Why is there so much stress in life? It's because we focus too much on improving our lifestyle rather than our life. People in your life should be a source of reducing stress, not causing more of it. Thank you for watching. Have a peaceful day.